right 5 into left 3 opens 30. Left 4 into right 6 hard brake. Into junction left 3 opens long, don't cut 30. Right 5 keep in 30. Left 4 into right 4 brake for hairpin right 30. Left 3 don't cut. Into right 4 tightens, don't cut. Into left 5 30. Right 3 over crest and left 4 40 over crest. Right 3 opens long, keep in. And left 1 don't cut. Into right 5. Into crest and right 5 short. Into left 4 short 40. Right 3 short, don't cut 100. Right 5 40. And left 6 tightens 4 into right 4 bumpy, keep in 40. And square left, don't cut for right 5. Into left 4 tree in, tightens 3 into right 5 80. Hairpin right, don't cut, into left 5 long over crest. Into hairpin left, long over junction, don't cut. And right 5 opens 50. Acute hairpin right, don't cut, into left 5 30. And left 2 50. Left 4 don't cut, narrows 40. Right 5 and left 1 short. Into right 1 don't cut 30. Chicane right don't cut, into bump 40. And left 6 tightens, brake into right 3 tightens 2, don't cut. And left 6 40. Left 3 into right 3, don't cut, and brake. For hairpin left, don't cut. Into left 4, keep in, opens, don't cut. Into right 3 tightens, narrows, don't cut. And left 3, keep in, don't cut, and right 4 tightens, 30. Into right 3 tightens. And crest into right 4, tightens 3. Into left 3, medium 50 for finish.